Welcome to our Cape Town office at SVR Engineering, and it's time for a new delivery to a Cape Town-based client. This is the brand new Toyota Prado Armored 2 B4 level. Now B4 level, remember, that's for handguns up to 44 Magnum. So you got your 21 millimeters of armored glass, Kevlar for the door areas, still armored steel plate for the pillars, but much more usable than B6. It might look like a B6 because we introduced overlaps even at B4 level. This client decided that a 5-seater is good enough, so he saved himself a lot of money. We put a bulkhead at the back. There's even an escape hatch as well. You can climb into the unarmored boot area. And I just want to show you on the driver's side, your B4 glass can obviously lower quite a bit more than your B6 glass. So there you go, brand new vehicle, brand new delivery for one of our Western Cape based clients.